Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the semifinal. Determines who goes to the finals and who goes home. Red team is starting off strong, loading up. Blue team struggling, transitioning to manual play. Wow. Blue team making some aggressive plays. Red team just filling up the basket. Red team doing an excellent job collecting. Blue team. Oh, look at that. Red team's just filling up the coffers there. Blue team. Wow. Well, looks like the blue team is struggling slightly. 118 does do an excellent job of collecting the energy. Red team. Got both of their robots full. Wow. And they're filling it up. Got less than a minute to play. Blue robots attempting a defensive strategy. Wow. Less than 30 seconds left. Red team at a sizable lead. Red team still filling up their robots. Firing off quite a few points here. 2-1-0. Well, Red Alliance is the victor. 431 points.